Hey guys, I'm going to say a word and ask you which other word rhymes with it. Okay, here we go. What rhymes with short? Sort or shout? Sort. What rhymes with hurt? Shirt or home? Shirt. What rhymes with art? Cart or arm? Cart. What rhymes with thorn? Then or worn? Worn. What rhymes with harp? Shape or sharp? Sharp rhymes with harp. Good job. I'm going to say a word. I want you to repeat it and then tell me the first sound in the word. Favor. So you say favor. Purple. Purple. P. Carton. Carton. K. Silver. Silver. S. Turkey. Turkey. T. Now I'm going to tell you the sounds in a word. I want you to blend them together and tell me the whole word. Surf. Surf. Cherry. Cherry. Cord. Cord. Alarm. Alarm. Girls. Girls. Force. Force. Jar. Jar. Pearl. Pearl. Arch. Arch. Fairy. Fairy. Now I'm going to say 3 words. I need you to listen carefully to these 3 words and tell me which 2 have the same middle sound. That's a lot to think about. Which 2 have the same middle sound? Here we go. Purse, shirt, shine. Purse and shirt both have in the middle. So those are the same. Fort, barn, porch. Think about all the sounds in them. Fort, barn, porch. So fort and porch both have or in the middle. Bird, part, shark. Part and shark both have R in the middle. Corn, turn, short. Corn and short both have or in the middle. All right, now I'm going to say a whole word. I want you to tell me all the sounds in the word, okay? So I say artist. You say art, all the sounds, okay? There. Air. Swerve. Swerve. Party. P-R-T-E. Quirk. Quirk. Harden. R-D-I-N. Harden. Doors. D-ors. Work. W-erk. Share. Share. Chirp. Chirp. All right, now I'm going to say a word and then ask you to remove part of the word. Take it away. So say force without s. For. Say shine without n. Shy. Say letter without let. Say plate without play. Say cherry without E, chair. Say croak without K, crow. Say went without when. Say stark without K, star. Say center without scent. Say bench without ch, ben. Good job. All right, now we're going to change a sound in a word. Say line, change n to m, lime. Say meek, change k to t, meat. Say pine, change n to ol, pile. Say need, change d to s, knees. Say seen, change n to k, seek. Say mile, change ol to n, mine. Say bail, change ol to s, base. Say date, change t to z, days. Say feel, change ol to t, feet. And say corn, change n to d, cord. Great work, boys and girls. Have a great rest of your day.